Hi, we're the ENIAC team. Today we're going to do a quick review on our Flexbar. So it's essentially a multifunctional touchscreen shortcut keyboard. Here I have one connected to my laptop. With Flexbar, you can launch apps like this, or do system controls like play, volume, or brightness and stuff. Also, there are cool functions like this nice looking music visualizer thing. And also, this is a great piece of tool to get work done quickly and efficiently. As you launch any program, the Flexbar will bring the most relevant controls to you. Beyond traditional shortcuts, we also included this highly integrated professional software support, like this timeline traveler in Adobe Premiere. As you can see, your timeline is exactly recreated on the Flexbar with vibrant color. Speaking of color, this is a 2K OLED touchscreen with a glass panel on top of an aluminum case. As you can see here, this is a unibody aluminum chassis. Feels really solid and nice, looks really premium. This is a factory-made unit. We also included this magnetic stand, also made of aluminum, so that goes along with your laptop or desktop computer, or even a MacBook Pro. We also included this piece of software called the Flexbar Designer that helps you to customize your Flexbar. There are just so many options you can play with. You can even play GIFs on the Flexbar. There are truly infinite possibilities beyond the touchscreen keyboard. So maybe go ahead and check out the link below to try out the Flexbar Designer, or maybe get yourself a Flexbar just today. Or join the group for more cool function demos updates in the future. See you next time.